Hey, Arvis, how are you? Come on, bud. You're going. Ready? Set. Hike. It's above you. Oh. Yes. Remus is very happy to be outside. It's a nice warm day, so he is just playing. Oh, don't make it tuggy, boy. Just tell him, hey.
Leave it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh.
Ready? Set.
You got.
Hike. Leave it. Leave it.
Drop. Leave it.
I want to
Leave it. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you.
leave
Leave it.
it.
Drop. Drop. Sit. Okay, now it's down.
Ready? Down. Set. Hike.
Oh, the wind caught that one. That wasn't fair. Oh, that's the one he really wanted. Hey, don't turn it too loud, dude. I don't want to deal with the copyright stuff. All right. Hey, James. You throw. This is his favorite. It's a soccer ball, or for folks that might be outside the U.S., you might call it football. But this is a soccer ball that has ropes tied to it. He loves this thing. That's his favorite. He absolutely loves that. But the whole point that I was supposed to do, and again, this is a DIY channel, is I was supposed to come out and clean up our compost bins because one of them exploded out. But I find myself playing with the dog instead. So, let's see. Ready? Oh, no. Remus, what you got? Get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball. Get it. Here, bud, you ready? Ready? All right. Set. Say please. Say please. Say please. Say please. All right, I can't say no to that face. The volleyball? I don't know.
It's that big box.
Serve to him. All right, ready, Remus? Okay. Bonus points to anybody who knows where the name Remus came from. Set. Oh! No, you just took it, ding dong. I was supposed to throw it. Oh, here we go, Remus. Look. Look at it. Uh-oh, ropes around me. You are correct. One of the few that understand. We rescued Remus, and we were told he was a mastiff, and so that's the core breed for a lot of large breed dogs like Rottweilers and different things. And so we decided to name him after one of the founders of Rome. Most people don't know where that name comes from, so bonus points to you, sir. All right, let's see what you can do with the volleyball. You ready? Want the volleyball? Oh! Nope. Because you can't put your mouth on it. All right, you ready? I can't throw it if you keep grabbing it. Come here, come here, come here, come here. All right, ready? Down. Set. He keeps cheating. That's awesome, Ramses. That's a good name, too. I like that. If I had a Saluki, I would give them an Egyptian name for sure. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Remus, leave it. Leave it. All right, if you want it. All right, ready? Down. Set.